Flu is a viral respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. It can lead to a range of symptoms, and some of these symptoms can be considered side effects of the infection. Flu symptoms. The symptoms of the flu can be quite uncomfortable and disruptive. They often include fever, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, body aches, fatigue, and headaches. So today I would be demonstrating an exercise called nasal irrigation to relieve the symptoms of flu as well as avoid flu completely. You can use a normal pot available in stores. Fill it with lukewarm distilled or filtered water and add small amount of salt. Start by passing water in the one nostril, and very important to remember to breathe from the mouth. Then the same from the other nostril. Blow the nose on every round. By practicing Neti you can breathe clearly and freely, thus enhancing your quality of life. The nostrils are filled with tiny hairs called cilia, whose role it is to prevent large particles entering the respiratory system. Sometimes, due to a gradual build-up of dirt, they can become clogged. Relief from sinuses, allergies, headaches, eyesight problems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.